Have you ever scrolled online and found an ad for earbuds that looked too good to be true? Sleek, invisible, feather-light, and packed with every premium feature imaginable? That's exactly how the VisionBeam ViSound Drift Earbuds are marketed, and on paper they sound like the dream gadget everyone wants. They claim to weigh just 3.9 grams, making them so light you can even sleep in them, while boasting Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connections, noise cancellation for distraction-free listening, a gaming mode with only 30 minutes latency, IPX6 water resistance to survive sweat or rain, and up to 24 hours of battery life with the charging case. It feels like these earbuds are offering everything at once, but when you dig deeper, the reality is far less impressive. Many buyers report the sound quality is nowhere near premium, describing the audio as muffled with weak bass, while the microphone struggles with clarity during calls. Complaints also highlight long shipping delays, products arriving without proper packaging, and in some shocking cases, earbuds that appeared used. The marketing also leans heavily on AI-generated testimonials and suspiciously perfect reviews, raising doubts about the authenticity of the praise. To make matters worse, these same earbuds are available on Chinese wholesale websites for as little as $5 to $10, yet are rebranded and resold at a massive markup, creating the illusion of a high-end product. This isn't VisionBeam's first time either. They previously faced backlash for promoting a so-called mini projector that turned out to be another cheaply made device dressed up with exaggerated claims. While the ViSound Drift earbuds do work and provide basic wireless listening, the overall performance and value don't match the hype. The glossy ads promise a breakthrough, but the truth reveals something much closer to an average, low-cost gadget presented with a premium price tag.